What a great day to play Norse. I love Norse. What did you say? Lizzie's here. Is that Sigma McRizzy? Oh my God, Sigma. Pepsi. I didn't came with the Cheeto Puffs, but yeah. Let's go, join me and what? Why does super hard mode minus 150? That doesn't make sense. Guys, wait for me. Trick or treat. Oh, Pablo just joined the other one. Pops. Pops needs to get first. Sigma McRizzy, you are, I don't really know, actually. You are the Sigma. No. How is that allowed? No, how is that virtual costume allowed, but not? Let's go! Let's go! We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Let's go! Okay, time for some trick-or-treating. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. We've joined Pops and Lizzie. Trick or treat, smell my. How did bro hear me? Are you tracking me? Finally turned green. Psst. Oh, that's Screech. That's my line. That's my line. That's my line. Oh yeah. Oh, there it was. There's the key. Four. I want to go in this one. Closet. Closet. Why do you? I don't. Hey guys, wait for me. Wait up, please, guys. I want some candy. I'm broke. Oh, I want some candy. What's this, guys? What's the candy? Hide when flicker. Nausea. Oh no! No, I have the Minecraft effect. Oh God. Oh, I have a Minecraft effect. Oh no. I have nausea. Gold. My gold. I say my gold. My gold. Bookshelf though. Is that a rush appearance or what did I do? Decent candy? Decent. I want to eat a gumdrop. Oh my God. No, I want that. I want this one. Cinnamon? Whoa! there is. Oh, bro. Screech, you're annoying. Okay, hi, eyes. No! Screech! You're not, Screech. No, guys, it's a modifier candy. Guys. Who wants this? Who wants this? You want it? I want it. Oh no! Haha, I ate it. Oh, I thought that was the drop button. Bro, can I use that now? Dang it, bro. Bro, why? I was trying to drop it. Bro, when you grab the modifier candy, you're dead. Bro, what are they gonna do? Oh. What did you get? Hey, I got three. This is Pop's video now. Pop, congrats, you took over my video. Yeah, I kicked him out, but he made it to junction. So we're gonna do it again. But I don't know where Lizzie is, sadly. So I'm creating an elevator. Oh yeah, he got the badge. He got the sugar rush badge. Bum bum. Okay, we got now on right now, we can go now to pool. Come on, Pop, we got this. Trick or treat. No, I deserve more candy. Bro, you already have. I know what that means. Bro, you just activated the room's entities. Glowing? Oh, that's kind of helpful. I'm just stopping every second because of a lighters. Yeah, I want the lighter. Where's my lighter? Where's my lighter? Where's my lighter? It's mine. Man, I deserve more candy than you. I have 35. Cinnamon. Expired candy. What's that mean? Ooh. Horrible aftertaste? Oh no. Oh no. Is it gonna keep damaging me? It's gonna damage me. Stop it. It's damaging me. It's damaging me. Please, someone help. Ooh, Seek. Seek eye. Expired candy. I am low. I'm gonna die on 11. Dang. We gotta go. What happened?